Oy vey.
Are you French now?
I'm French. You would ask me a political question that no matter how I respond, half the people love it and half the people hate it. My honest response would be if you're competent and you're confident in your weapon, then I think yes. I think agents, yeah, I think they should carry. And I don't know why I'm being sheepish about that. That's our political climate. But a good friend of mine who is a realtor here now, used to be PD, was a detective, and he would say all the time, most criminals are stupid, but the ones that are actually intelligent are the scary ones. And I feel like there's realtors across the country that have a story of an intelligent criminal that tried to get them to go show them a vacant home outside of the city to try and do something stupid. And my opinion when it comes to real estate and carrying is you've got to go home to your family. And if somebody's trying to keep me from going home to my family, I'm gonna do everything I can to make sure I make it home. And it's unfortunate, like in an ideal utopian world, we don't have to do that, but this is not the ideal utopian world, especially social media. DMs are blowing up all the time for realtors. Intelligent criminals exist, and if I am in a position with an intelligent criminal, I at least want to be in a position to be able to protect myself so I make it home to my family. This is a really long answer to a super simple question. As controversial as it's going to be for some people, I think that if you are competent and confident with your weapon, in order to protect yourself from the intelligent criminals, yes, realtors should definitely carry, in my opinion.